All right, Coachman Catalina Legacy Edition. It is the 243 RBS, which is about the perfect couples camper. It is under 30 feet, it is under 6,000 pounds, and I'll tell you, it is easy half-ton towable. Let's take a look. Right here, you have an electric tongue jack. We're gonna put two 30-pound propane tanks there for you. We're gonna give you a brand new interstate battery right there in a box. It's got a 12-volt kill switch right there, pass-through storage. You can see right there, it goes all the way through. It's nicely finished. Your windows on the outside, nice big windows. You can see it's got aluminum fenders here, so the aluminum fender skirts aren't going to crack on you, and they look nice. Got a 6-gallon DSI water heater back here. Hook up for cable and satellite. Your dump's down there. It's even got a nice cargo rack on the back, and I say it's nice because it's not just bolted to the bumper, it's actually welded on, and you levers up and down. Nice big spare tire there with the cover. This tailgate is rated for 250 pounds. And then we come over here and you can see it's got a black tank flush, and it's got your city water hookup, and right hiding in there is your outdoor shower. It's hot and cold water, and you could actually even hook the shower nozzle right there, so it actually works like a shower. Pretty slick. And then we swing over on this side. You see you have a full-size power awning right there, and it has the multicolored LED lights on it that are programmable, so you can make them flash fast and slow. You can see right there. And then it has JBL premium sounds. It's got the outside speakers, and the indoor radio is all JLB. There's that aluminum fender skirt, aluminum rims. Let's go inside. Oh, that door is hard to open. It has the friction hinges. That's going to keep the wind from slamming it shut on you. These are the nice solid steps that fold up inside the doorway, so they look nicer. Right away when you walk in, you have that nice trifold sofa. I'm going to pull that out for you in a minute so you can see how it works. And then you got your booth right there. Lots of storage in the back. Your thermostat. And we'll swing into the bathroom. It has a nice big tub surround. For those tall guys, it has, look at all that room in there. So the Skylight keeps your head from bopping onto the ceiling. You got a foot flush toilet right there. Sink inside the bathroom. Nice medicine cabinet. It's ducted air conditioning and heat inside the bathroom. Take a nice look at the living room. As you can tell right here, there's no carpet. It's vinyl matched flooring in the slide, and then you have storage underneath there. You got a fireplace in the back there. Nice big spot for a TV. Now, real quick before I get to the kitchen, I want you to see that this is Wi-Fi ready, not Wi-Fi prepped. This whole system actually costs more than if we were to put a TV in it. So you are prepped for Wi-Fi. You go to a campground that has Wi-Fi, that's going to pull it into here. Then you can get your hotspots on your phone and be able to run a smart TV. So fireplace there, lots of storage around it. Let's get over to this cool little kitchen area. It's got a nice spot here. You can put some stools. It's like a little bar set up. Then you have these covers for your big sink. It's got pull-out sprayer. Nice big window over the sink. You got storage up here. Now these here, these cabinets, if you come in, you feel back here, they're screwed, not stapled and glued. So they are, I'm going to pull on this sucker. It is absolutely solid. It is not going anywhere. See if I can get the camera in there. Anyway, hopefully you could see that, but it is built more like your house and not like the guy down the street's camper. So good stuff. Right there you got stainless steel oven, more storage underneath, stainless steel microwave, and a stainless steel 12-volt fridge. 12-volt fridges are bigger, they cool faster than a gas electric, and look how nice they look inside there. There's so much room. I wish I had the lights on for you to really get a good look, but it is huge. And again, having solar, you will be able to keep that battery charged, keep that fridge going, or you're plugged into at the campground, it'll keep that fridge going. So there it is. We're gonna head over to the bedroom now. You can see it's air conditioning, and those are all ducts up there, and then your speakers on the ceiling too. Let's check out the bedroom. All right, you got a residential queen bed in here, hanging storage on both sides of the bed, lots of storage above it, USB ports, and 110 volts on each side. And then we lift up here, and you have plywood, not particle board, underneath your storage area. So, and then they give you a little basket and a little locker, so whatever you want to put in there to keep safe. So there you have it. I'm gonna take one quick look at something, and we'll get back to doing some more camper shopping, huh? All right, so this does have the upgraded 15K BTU air conditioner in it. So let's get the upgraded air conditioner, and then I promised I was going to pull out this sofa, so I'm going to do that for you real quick. All right, that took me 23 seconds to pull that out, and I bet I could put it away even quicker. So nice little extra sleeping spot if you have some peeps that want to come over and visit, or you can just kick everybody out. There you have it. 243 RBS, perfect couples coach. Come and check it out. Thank you.